This is just a quick video about how to remove your side vent. This applies to either the passenger side or the driver's side. I'm pulling the driver's side because the cup holder was having a hard time working, so I had to take it off to repair it. But it's really simple to take these out and put them in. There's actually only 2 screws, and you can see them real clearly. One right here and one right here that hold the whole thing in there. And the only thing that's slightly tricky about it, I imagine, would be one, there's a little trim piece that comes off the top screw in this corner, so you just need like a screwdriver, a small one, really skinny one, and pop it out there. And the way you access the second screw is you do have to open up the cup holder to get behind it. So the lower screw is right here, the upper screw is right here. That's all there is to taking it out. I'm going to put it back in, you know, it's the exact opposite. So there you go. If you do need to replace it, it's really simple. Cup holder's open. Top screw and the bottom screw. And once you get those in there, then you can just put on that tiny little cap thingy, just for cosmetics, right? Awesome. That's it.